welcome back. The Ministry of Health and Social Services is embarking on a countrywide Oral Health Week campaign. The campaign kicks off on the 11th of September 2023 and will run until the 15th of September 2023 under the theme Be Proud of Your Mouth. To provide some insight, we're now joined by Dr. Katrina Itala-Kalumbu, a dentist and head of department of the dental department at the Walvis Bay State Hospital. Dr. Kalumbu, good evening and thank you for joining us here on the Daily Roundup.
Good evening, Nina. Thank you so much for having me, and good evening, Namibia.
Doctor, to start with, talk to us about, what necessitated the need for, an oral health campaign.
Thank you very much, Nina. Actually, the National Oral Health Week is celebrated nationwide in the month of September, and this has actually been going on for some years now. And so actually we do have a national, what they call the World Oral Health Day, which is normally celebrated in March, but us as a nation of Namibia, we celebrate our oral health for the whole week. So really, this is really just a campaign to celebrate the most important week in our profession or in our dental fraternity at large. And in so doing, we actually hold campaigns throughout the nation of Namibia in our different towns, in our different regions. And this is really just done to create awareness around oral health care and just giving out oral health education. And why do we do it this way is because instead of holding workshops and doing other things, we'd rather create awareness. For us, awareness is so important because one of the things that we picked up is that throughout the nation of Namibia, especially within our communities, the level of oral health education is a bit low. And so we aim at bringing our services to the people and educating them on how to actually take care of their mouths and how best the dentist can assist them. So this is really why, and this is what actually necessitated our campaign from the Ministry of Health. Yes.
Doctor, talk to us about, the oral health services that public hospitals and clinics currently offer.
Okay, thank you so much, Nina. Actually, the public hospitals and the clinics, we offer quite a lot. One of the things that we do is obviously providing the primary health care under dental services. And this includes both preventive and curative dentistry at large. I'm just going to mention a few things, not necessarily in any particular order, just to create awareness. One of the things that we offer, of course, the most popular, which is really the least important to us as dentists, of course, is extractions. Everybody that you meet, you say, why do you want to go to a dentist? Well, I just want to remove my tooth. Well, to us, even though we do it, it is the least important to us because we are not here to be removing teeth. We are here to preserve and to keep your teeth. So definitely those are some of the services that we offer. And we offer fillings, we do fillings. With the fillings, we normally use what we call the composite that we use. The public normally like to call it stopping your teeth, We offer fillings as well as root canal treatments. These are treatments that we do to just kind of like remove the nerves from the teeth so that a tooth that is probably badly affected and we want to kill it and still preserve it. Other services that we offer is our prosthesis, which in many cases we offer dentures. These are actually just given to replace missing teeth. So if you have your teeth that are missing, you have not necessarily lost hope. You still have hope because we do offer this. Other services that we offer is we attend to trauma or facial trauma management. I will give an example. For instance, if you are involved in an accident or you fell and for some reason you break your jaw, you are able to come to the dentist and we are able to do what we call an intermaxillary fixation, and we keep your mouth closed for a few weeks so that we can minimize the movement so that we are able to keep your jaw and have it, reattached in place. Other things that we also do finally is also the oral facial pathologies. That includes the different types of tumors as well as the oral cancers that we are able to diagnose, and in so doing, we are able to manage our patients and refer them to the necessary or relevant departments like oncology and so forth. So we cover quite a lot in our clinics, and so people should just come over and they will be able to get the services that they need.
The theme for this year's Oral Health Week is Be Proud of Your Mouth. Just elaborate a little bit on that, Doctor.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ina. Yes, our theme for this year is actually Be Proud of Your Mouth. And just to mention that our theme is actually in line with our World Dental Federation theme, which has actually been running for the past 3 years. This is actually the final year. It started running from 2021 all the way to 2023, which is this year. And so we have been given a mandate. This has been initiated by our national dentist from the national level all the way through our ED's office so that we can hold our campaigns. So we are holding our campaigns under this theme, which is Be Proud of Your Mouth. You know, one thing that we always say is that a lot of people are proud of a lot of things. And one of the things that we looked at, we said, you know, if you can be proud of something, you will surely take care of it. And so with so doing, bringing out this thing, be proud of your mouth for your happiness and your well-being, we are saying what you are proud of, you take care of. And so we are carrying out our campaigns all over Namibia, and we are going out sharing information, teaching people how to take care of their mouths, what are the tips that they need to keep their mouth healthy and maintain a good oral hygiene, as well as just bringing the services to the people and making them aware of what dentists and how the dentist can be of help to them. So that is really what we are doing throughout Namibia during this week. Thank you.
Doctor, let's just quickly talk logistics and, of course, what exactly the public will be receiving during this Oral Health Week from the health practitioners who are forming part of this campaign.
Yes, thank you so much. Yes, what is actually happening right now, we are having a group of the dental team, which includes our dentists, our dental therapists, our dental assistants. They are going out throughout the nation of Namibia, in every region. Starting from here, I am representing Erongo region, starting from Erongo region, in the district of Walvis Bay, we are going out. In Swakopmund, they are going out. In Osakos, as well as Omaruru, and all the other regions. Onsati region is going out. Otapi, they are doing something. In Kavango, Rundu town, they are doing something as well as Windhoek, and most of the towns within Namibia, they are going out. And what we are really doing, we are creating awareness. Like what we say, we are teaching people oral health education, and we are giving them out. What we are doing is we are doing free consultations, bringing the services to the people. And as we do so, we are giving them as well, tips, the consultation, as I mentioned. And one of the things that we are doing, especially here in Walvis Bay, we are also having games. We are doing games, and we are giving them as well gifts throughout these games, fun activities on how to educate our people. One of the things that we'll be doing in Walvis Bay as well, we actually went out already today. We were in Quisabmont, by the outside of the stadium. Tomorrow we are going to be at June's Mall, creating awareness. On Wednesday we will be in town at MetLife Plaza Mall, which is just where they ShopRite and Ackermans. On Thursday we will be in Narraville, just by the Narraville Park, outside of the Walvis Bay, outside of the Narraville Clinic, just opposite the community hall. And on Friday, we will be holding our closing ceremony here in Walvis Bay. And with this closing ceremony, we're actually going to be having the likes of our governor, the Erongo governor, Mr. Andre Neville is going to be a part of it. We are going to be having our Mayor of Walvis Bay, Mr. Forbes, is going to be a part of it. And we are also going to be having our Director of the Ministry of Health, Ms. Anna Jonas, is going to be a part of it, our Chief Dentist of the region, and Dr. Gaisers, as well as our SMO of our hospital, and all the DCC members are going to be a part of it. It's going to be a beautiful time where we are going to be talking all about oral health, and we are ready. So thank you so much, Ms. Nina.
Dr. Kalumi, thank you so much for your time this evening. Lovely speaking to you, and all the best to the rest of the week and the campaign.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ina. I really appreciate you having me on your show, and you have a blessed evening.
That was Dr. Katrina Itala Kalumbu, a dentist and head of department of the dental department at the Walvis Bay State Hospital, speaking to us about the National Oral Health Week campaign.